Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best stockpot for your kitchen. The KitchenAid 71022 stainless steel stockpot with measuring marks and lid. If you're looking for a durable, versatile, and induction-ready stockpot with ergonomic features, this is one of the finest options available. Let's dive into why this pot stands out. First off, let's talk construction. This 8-quart stockpot is made of brushed stainless steel and features an aluminum core base. That's a big deal because aluminum distributes heat fast and evenly, so whether you're boiling pasta or slow-simmering stew, you won't be left with hot spots or uneven cooking. The stainless steel surface not only adds durability but also brings that classic, professional kitchen look to your stovetop. Now, KitchenAid didn't stop at performance. They made sure this pot was easy and safe to handle too. The dual riveted handles come with silicone grips. That's right. No more fumbling with hot metal handles or reaching for potholders every time you stir. These grips stay cooler on the stovetop, giving you better control and safety when lifting or pouring. Speaking of pouring, one thoughtful detail is the inclusion of internal measuring marks. They're etched right inside the pot, so you can measure water, broth, or stock directly in it. No extra measuring cups needed. That's a small feature that adds a lot of convenience, especially when you're juggling ingredients during meal prep. Let's take a moment to appreciate the lid. It's not just a basic cover, it's a shatter-resistant, tempered glass lid. This means you can watch your food cook without lifting the lid and losing heat. It helps lock in flavors and moisture, which is key when making soups, stews, or chili. Another major advantage is that this stockpot is compatible with all cooktops, including induction. Thanks to its aluminum core encased in stainless steel, it works flawlessly on induction ranges, gas, electric, or ceramic stovetops. And when you're done cooking, cleaning is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe, saving you the hassle of scrubbing or soaking. In terms of size, the 8-quart capacity is ideal for families or entertaining. It measures 13.5 inches in diameter, 9.5 inches in width, and stands 9.5 inches tall. Plenty of room for boiling pasta, making stock, or prepping big batches of soup. This stockpot also ships directly from Amazon, and although there is an additional shipping and import fee to India, it's currently available for a competitive price. Plus, it's eligible for a 30-day refund or replacement, so there's peace of mind if it doesn't meet your expectations. To sum it up, the KitchenAid 71022 stockpot isn't just a pot, it's a kitchen essential. With its quick, even heating, silicone grip handles, induction compatibility, and practical design details like measuring marks and a glass lid, it earns its title as the best stockpot in its category. Whether you're a casual home cook or a serious chef, this pot delivers performance and convenience in one sturdy, stylish package. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product breakdowns from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.